Pat 1, roger, and Pat 1, wind calm, watch out timber 2970. And Pat 1-1, traffic's going to be approaching Cabin John, continuing down the river, it's going to be a southwest 3,500 descending, landing runway 1.
Request visual separation, Pat 1-1.
Southwest 3565 on the RMP 019.
Southwest 3565 Washington, Tower runway 19 clear to land traffic will depart, continue to reduce the final approach speed. Additional traffic is going to be a helicopter over Memorial Bridge, DFR northwestbound 200 feet. They have you on site, maintaining visual separation as they continue up the river.
And Southwest 3565 copies all.
Brickyard 4385, maintain visual separation parting company in the upwind. Traffic will follow you visually. Traffic 4 mile final, runway 19 clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 19, maintain visual, Brickyard 4385.
American 365 watch out, keep it moving around the corner, runway 19 line up weight, advise you of the inbound sight and 10, maintain visual separation. Traffic 4 mile final.
19 line up weight, number inside American 365.
And Southwest 3565, in addition to that helicopter traffic departing 19, traffic will hold in position 15 for you.
Southwest 3565 copy.
On that tomorrow.
Pat 1, watch out, roger. Maintain visual separation, southwest off your nose.
Maintain, Pat 1-1.
Brickyard 4492, best forward speed down the river again. 3 parts to follow you visually, contact no parking.
Best forward speed down the river and over departure, Brickyard 4492.
American 365, maintain visual separation parting inbound in the upwind. Traffic approaching a 2.5 mile final for your runway as well. Runway 19 clear for takeoff.
19 clear for takeoff, maintain visual separation, American 335.
Brickyard 4385, traffic your follow is indicating 180 knots. And again, American follows you visually, contact no parking.
Right, and Richard Departure, Brickyard 4385, Richard that. Brickyard 4514, Hunter River, Brazil 19.
Brickyard 4514, watch out, reduce the final approach speed, runway 19 clear to land, traffic will depart. Additional traffic is a helicopter over Georgetown, northbound 300 feet.
Alright, slowing it down, final approach speed 19 clear to land, Brickyard 4514, looking for driver.
Roger, Pat 1 traffic 2 miles north of your position, Embraer 1900, descending, landing runway 19.
Speak, point to Pat 1-1.
Traffic inside, Brickyard 4514.
Tower, Brickyard 4495 is river visual 19. Tower, Brickyard 4495, river visual 19.
Brickyard 4495, Washington Tower, runway 19 clear to land, traffic departs by your album.
19 clear to land, Brickyard 4495.
American 365, look forward to being in contact with home departure. Good day.
Departure American 365.
Military 5384, the winds are showing 160 at 3, runway 15, clear for takeoff.
Hey, Tower, we had an RA, Brickyard 4514 is going around.
Roger, Brickyard 4514, so would you like to go around the pier? So you're going around, so go around. Turn right heading 250, climb maintain 3000.
250, climb maintain 3000, Brickyard 4514.
3565, turn right taxi, Foxtrot, right on Juliet, ground point 7.
Right Fox, right Juliet, ground point 7, so 25.
Brickyard 4514, we'll try it again with Potomac on 124.7.
124.7, Brickyard 4514. So Brickyard 4514 is going around, turning on to 250, 3000.
Brickyard 4514, time departure to contact. Brickyard 4514, turn right heading 310.
Right heading 310, Brickyard 4514.
Brickyard 4514, what was the reason for the go around?
We had an RA with the helicopter traffic below us, Brickyard 4514.
Okay, thank you.